Oh, just a few tips on packing the dishwasher really. Cups going in the top, longer things on the bottom. No separate basket for the cutlery because they go into the tray at the top. Someone's left a load of stuff in the pan there, which obviously you need to rinse before you put it in, otherwise you're endlessly changing the filters. Showing just logical really, but some people don't seem to be able to. Plastic in the top apart from that thing at the bottom which is too big to go in the top. And these plates, but they were only a few pence, so, and they seem to be surviving quite nicely actually. And that's some more stuff there, and there we are, pretty much done. Quite simple really. Don't know why I'm always the one to have to do it, but anyway. There we go, sorted. Sticks with it. There you go.